I love the versatility of this eyeshadow palette. You can create endless looks with this one palette. It's one essential in your makeup kit. With the new Skin Deep palette, nudes no longer have to be boring. Using these shimmering metallic shades, I'm placing it on the lid to create a base for a more intense eye. Using this metallic rose shade, I'm creating warmth and dimension to the eye. I'm wrapping the color around the lash line and then into the bridge of the eye. You can use the matte eyeshadows to sculpt a brow, create definition, and the metallics to pop or highlight. For this look, I'm extending the eyeshadow farther out with a deeper matte color. Diffusing it, I created a smoky, angular eye paired with an unexpected nude on the lips. For this look, I'm creating a warm copper eye with intense pigment wrapped completely around the eye. This is a great way to showcase nudes without ever being boring. I love this formula because it's long wearing, it's creaseless, and there's something about coppers that complement every skin tone and work great in every season. To create this effect to the eye, I use matte eyeshadows to blend into the metallics. This creates an eye-opening effect that complements the intense metallic copper. The look I'm about to create is all about dimension, focusing on shading and different tones, pairing shimmers with mattes to create dimension and intensity. I love the versatility this palette gives. You have such freedom to create so many different looks. The possibilities are endless. Using my fingertips, I'm pressing a shimmering shadow in the center of the eye. This creates an instant dimension to the skin, and the finger gives a smooth, intense application. Using a wet, straight eyeliner brush, I'm using the richest shade in the palette to create definition along the lash line.